Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Bloom's channel. This is Cursive Handwriting class day 3. Hello everyone, today I will show you some more patterns. This pattern is look like English alphabet E. Before this there is a 4 lines book, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. This pattern you have to start from 3 and touches to the second line and come down. Using middle these 2 lines we are writing this pattern. Take from third line, go up and touch second line, come back. Go up, come down, go up, touch to the second line, come down and go up. Don't leave space and don't lift your pencil. Without lifting and don't leave the gap. You try to practice this pattern. Just you move a little bit of your palm. When you are continuous writing, just move a little bit of your palm to write continuously. First you start with your smooth motion, then slowly you can increase your speed. Then one more pattern, reverse of this pattern. Start with 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Start with second, go third and come down. Start with second, go up, come down. Start with second and go to the third line, then again back to second line. Don't leave gap and without lifting your pencil. I am repeating again and again because this is a very important. Don't leave gap and without lifting your pencil. If you write down, then your handwriting will be so beautiful. Just slowly you can increase your speed. Okay, then next one more pattern. We have to start with from here, touch to red line, first line. Go up, come down. See, you have to go for and one more pattern, reverse of this. Start from here, red line, first line to go for third line and go up. Go with the slow motion and slowly increase your speed. Don't lift your pencil and don't leave too much of gap. If it is little bit, that's okay. See, don't leave too much gaps here, then here. See, look at this. If you write like this, for example, see how it looks. It won't look beautiful. Don't write like this. See, if you leave in this pattern, if you like write this is also wrong way. Don't leave too much of gaps. Okay. Using these patterns, we can write letter E. Look at this. E. One more letter, L. Earlier we learned what all? Letter I, T, M, N, then U, E and L. Yes. Using these letters, we'll start to write a word. M, E, L, T, melt. Okay. Start M. M you start from here. M. It will end right. M will end right. From here you have to take E. E will end here. Then right. Join. Take a join of letter L. Then T. Then one more. Lit. L, I, T. Lit. Later you can put a accessories. T, I, L, I, T. Melt. M, E, L, T. Let's practice with me. If you like this, don't forget to subscribe.